Hello my dear viewers, Stotra, Kodharma Sarva Dharmana Bhavata Paramo Mataha Kim Japam Muchyate Jantur Janma Samsara Bandhanat. Meaning, first one, Kodharmaha, which means which dharma, which principle of the righteousness or duty. Second one, Sarva Dharmanam, which means among all dharmas, all forms of righteousness. Third one, Bhavataha, which means according to you, which means Bhishma's view or opinion. Fourth one, Paramo Mataha, which means which is considered the highest or supreme dharma or righteousness. Fifth one, Kim, which means what or which. Sixth one, Japan, which means by chanting or by reciting, repeating divine name. Seventh one, Muchyate, which means become liberated or is freed. Eighth one, Jantur, which means the living beings, individual souls, etc. Ninth one, Janma Samsara Bandhana, which means liberated from the bondage of the cycle of birth and death. Translation: Yudhishthira asked Bhishma Pitamaha, what is the supreme dharma among all dharmas in your view or opinion? By chanting which mantra, which name, which divine utterance should one repeat so that the soul of living being is freed from the bondage of the birth and death cycle? Thank you.